Let's fall up these plastic Dollar Tree bowls. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks for coming back. So I have these plastic bowls from Dollar Tree, and I am going to start by painting. Now, I'm using chalk paint. This is an orange chalk paint, and I am painting the outside of these cute little decorative plastic bowls from Dollar Tree. And I'm only doing now, if I were to do it again, I probably would do the whole entire back and not just do the scalloped part, but I thought it would look kind of cool and decorative, and so there's that. So I did one in orange, one in red, one in brown, and I set them aside. Then I have the bigger one, and I'm doing this one in an oatmeal color. Again, they're all chalk paint. You'll see that I do in the background, you'll see a yellow one. I try to do it with the Dollar Tree acrylic paint, and let me just say this. Don't. If you're thinking about doing it, don't. Oh my gosh, it was a hot mess express. It wasn't good, but the chalk paint works like a dream. So I did the same process as I did with the small ones, painted the whole back. Ta-da! Let it dry really well. Once it's dry, I have some sheepskin colored chalk paint. Words are hard. I couldn't remember what the word was. So anyways, so I'm going to do the whole entire back with the sheepskin chalk paint. And I am going all the way over the edge. See how I'm going all the way to the very edge. And I was looking at it, I'm like, man, I shouldn't have done it that way. I should have left some of the color peeking through, because look at how pretty that is. But I digress. I may have left one or two of these with color peeking through just because. But at the end, then I took some brown wax and went over it. Is it a mistake? I don't know. I thought it looked okay. But let me tell you, when you see the big bowl, yeah, I like the primitive vibe, so I'm into it. But if you're not, don't do that part and just do it solid. It's fine. Just make sure that everything is dry, really dry before you do that. And then here's the one I was telling you about, the bigger one. I have some of that wax. I'm just lightly going over the back, and look at how pretty. I don't know. Again, if you're not into the primitive distressed vibe, you probably won't think it's so pretty, but I think it looks so cool, like vintage, and oh, I just love it. And the neat thing is the inside of these bowls looks so vibrant. When you flip it over, it looks so good. It's wild. It amazes me every time. But there you go. So you go through and you go all the way over the back. Again, make sure that whatever you're using to distress is dry fully, but look at how cool. Oh, I love it. Then once it's fully dry, I'm going to coat the back on all of them, the bowls and the big bowl, with some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Would I ever put these in the dishwasher? No. Hand wash only. But I have, 6 children, so they have to be washed. But anyways, look at this. This is so pretty, and you can use it almost like a decorative piece like here. And here they are as a set. Look at how pretty that is. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.